Hello everyone, today we have one video for how can create one YouTube channel. For start we work. For first step we need one Gmail account, then we go to the YouTube website with this address. After we click on this icon, then we click in create channel. In this step, we need to choose one name for our channel. For example, I choose this one. Then we click in this button for create our channel. YouTube don't accept this name. We choose other name. For example, I enter my own name. Then click to this button for create our channel. Uh, in this step we create our channel and for upload our logo and change other information, we can click on this and open link in new tab. Open studioyoutube.com, and with this tab we can change our YouTube channel information. For example, we can upload one logo for our channel. We can upload one background for our channel, and in this tab we can choose one biography to our channel. See you later.